Right now, inside your body, things are being rebuilt, repaired, and rewired without you lifting a finger. Your body is a miracle machine, and today, you're about to discover 5 unbelievable ways it can heal itself, right now, without you even noticing. First, let's talk broken bones. You fall, you hear the crack, and panic sets in. But here's the twist. Your body gets to work instantly, spinning a soft collagen-rich cast inside your arm. Week by week, it hardens into solid bone, often stronger than before. That's right. You're part human, part self-repairing cyborg. Meet your liver, the Wolverine of your body. Even if you lose 70% of it, the rest will grow back in just weeks. No machines. No wires. Just nature's ultimate reboot button. Your skin? It's like a 24/7 emergency response team. Get a cut, and instantly it sends in clotting agents, fighters to kill germs, and builders to grow new cells. Before you know it, scar gone, problem solved. Your stomach acid is so strong it can dissolve metal. So why doesn't it eat you alive? Because every 3 to 4 days, your stomach grows a brand new lining. Imagine replacing your car's engine every week without ever stopping the ride. And here's the showstopper: your brain can rewire itself. It can build new pathways, reroute messages, and adapt after major injuries. People have relearned to walk, speak, even play music after losing those abilities entirely. That's neuroplasticity, your brain's secret superpower. So the next time you think healing is just about resting, remember, inside you right now is an army of repair systems working 24/7. You're not just human, you're a self-repairing miracle. If you love learning how your body works, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. We've got plenty more mind-blowing science coming your way.